Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize control center icons in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to customize your control centers, let's see how can you do that. You just have to scroll down from your top right corner to open your control center, and here simply tap on this plus option in the top left corner to add it to your control center. You can see that you will find this type interface. Now if you want to delete or remove any option from here or any icon from here, you can easily do that by just simply tapping on that option. Or here's the minus option here. You just have to tap on the minus option and your icon will be removed from here. Or if you want to add a control, let's just tap on add a control option here and then select the icon or the control which you want to add into your control center. So for example, I'm going to select this one, so it will be added here. Now I'm going to add any more. Just select the option which you want to add to your control center. Or if you want to move or change the position of your controls, you can do that. Just keep a long press on anyone, then scroll it or move it. So in this way, you can easily customize your control center in your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.